So this is Harish. So Harish, are you done? Yeah, I'm tired, guys. Currently, I am here with my friend Harish, who is doing my glasses, doing the fitting. This is my 3 transfer glasses. This is for my daughter. I make a lot for my daughter. This is my good friend Harish. Okay, guys. So, ayan. Ayun, tapos na kami sa aking glasses, sa aking anak. So, ayan, magandang ilaw. Gumanda-ganda ako dito. So, pauwi na kami. Then, pupunta kami ng bahay. Then, mamaya ulit, guys. Bye-bye muna. Lakad na naman tayo. Ay, naku, guys. Grabing ikot-ikot ng ginagawa namin. So, kung ako lang mag-isa, hindi kaya ni mother. Hindi ko kaya mag-ikot-ikot, kakalipat-lipat kung saan-saang istasyon or anong exit ang papasukin ko. My goodness! Nasaan na tayo dong? I told you! So we're going again. So mali na kami, guys. Di na namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero kailangan namin tumawid going to Alriga side naman. Kasi yung pinanggalingan namin is on the other side around. Na dalawa kasi ang linya ng stasyon dito, isang going to north, isang going to south. Tama ba? So, yun. Hi. So, this is the Union Station kung saan we have to go the other side going to Riga. So, mali ka dong. Are you right? Are you right? Not left? Goodness. So, ayan, guys. So, tama na to. Nahilo na ako, guys. So, ayan, kaalis lang ng train. So, we're gonna wait for another 3 minutes more para sa isang train ulit. 1 station lang naman kami, guys. And afterwards, bababa na din kami. And that's our place. We're in. Nandun yung aming bahay. So, ayan. Masakit na ulo ko, guys. Sa kakaikot-ikot. Kasi baka magkamali kami ng side na masakyan. So, baka wala kaming gawin kundi bumalik-balik na lang. So, we'll stand from here. Let me sit for a while. I'm tired na. I am tired na. This is Union Station we're in. I'll be waiting for another train going to Alriga Station, guys. Tired na si mother. So, maybe by next week, magpa-parlor na rin ulit ako. I need to do my nails and my hair, guys. Ayan, kala nyo ba mag-work abroad is good? No, kaya. Time is not enough for 1 day off, guys. So, ayan. Look at that. So tiring the whole day. And then, guys, wala pa ako nagagawa for myself. I didn't even iron my clothes. Then, I didn't do anything for my hair, for my nails. So, I'll do that by next week. Next day off. Waiting here. Ayan na ang train. So, 1 station lang naman tayo, guys. So, pwede na tayo dito. Mask is mandatory pa din. Pero depende sa'yo. So, in just 2 minutes, we will be there in my place. Guys, nandito na kami sa Alriga. Ang masayang Alriga. Ayan, ang dami pa ring tao. Grabe. Today is November 1 at ang dami-daming tao. Hindi naman Pasko para dumami ng ganyan ng mga tao. Yan. O, diba, guys?
Kulit ng mga size eh.
O, diba? Yan. Ganyan kasaya ang Alriga. Merong mangga. Dito nga tayo sa kabilang side. Dito pala ang nagdadaan.
Ano ba?
So, next station natin is magsisend tayo ng pera. Ang dami ring tao. Ang dami ring tao. So, magsisend din tayo ng pera, guys. Ang dami ng bago dito, guys. So, grabe dito sa Dubai. Yan, katatapos lang namin magpadala. And then, ayan.
Saan ang kainan yun?
Siguro yan yung galing dito. Ay, iba din. Anong gawa mo? Hello guys! Nandito na ako sa bahay. Ito, katatapos lang namin ng maghapon at 9:30 na kami nakauwi dito sa aming bahay. So, ayun guys. Lumabas kami. Ang daming agenda. Kapi lang ang aming nagawa before kami lumabas ng house. And then, ayun, pumunta kami sa sa kung saan-saan. Nag-withdraw. Then, pumunta sa kagawaan ng glasses, sa workshop. And then, ito. Nandito na kami sa house. Kung saan-saan kami guys nakarating. Grabe, sobrang rush. Ang dami-daming tao. Pero wala tayong magagawa kundi maglakad para magawa natin ang dapat natin gawin. So ito guys, papasilip ko lang sa inyo yung aking nagawang salamin for myself. And then, yun nga, since ang lola mo is matanda na, di na tayo pabatawag ni glasses. At yun ay tinatawag namin presbyopia na kasi ako. Meaning I have distance correction and I have reading correction, which is I usually do for myself is yung type of glasses na ginagamit ko is progressive. This is the progressive. Meaning to say distance in reading na walang linya. So, mayroon siyang intermediate kung saan nagagamit namin siya for computer, mobile, and then distance na wala siyang line. Ika nga. So, ayan ang progressive na ginagamit ko. Then, that green coating na nakikita nyo is the anti-reflection coating wherein that has a protection for computer. The same with this. This is another one. This is my second pair. Ayan. And then, meron tayong ito guys, ito yung old ko na ginagamit. Nakikita nyo na tumalimit sa akin. Nag-iisa na lang kasi. Kaya, ayan. Out of 5 pieces na ginagamit ko, ito na lang ang natira. So, nag-decide na kung samantalahin yung time since ginawan ko ng glasses yung anak ko. So, I did for myself as well about 5 pieces. So, yun na nga. Ang sabi ko nga, this is 1. Okay, brown color. This is 2. Yan, may pagka-round. Yan. Ganun din guys. Naglipista pa din siya. Then, new one na ginawa ko. Ito, maiba-iba naman. Ayan. So, same thing, progressive with anti-reflection coating. Blue cut, which is the light is not passing through on my eye. Protection on any gadgets. The same with this. Ayan. Brown. Ayoko ng blue coating, guys. Kasi medyo quite sensitive yung mata ko. There are some people na gusto yung blue. Meron namang iba gusto ng green. Ako gusto ko lang ng green. But blue light protection pa rin. The same with this. So, I got one metal spray. So, the same thing, blue cut pa rin. Blue light protection. Then, that's it, guys. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na pinagawa ko. And then, ito yung old ko na nag-iisa na lang na I know, ito yung palagi yung nakikita sa akin. Ito yung old ko. So, I did another 5 glasses para mawala man ang isa, meron pang natira. Nawawala man ang isa, may natitira pa. Napaka ng isa or nasira ang isa, may natitira pa. So, alam mo yun guys. So, kung saan man ako mapunta, let's say napunta sa CR, napunta sa kusina, napunta sa kwarto, meron akong glasses. Alam mo naman ang lola, kapag presbyopia, kailangan ng pambasa. Ganun. So, yun guys, ang ginawa ko. 5 pieces for myself, new one, and then 1 old one. So, I have 6 pieces of eyeglasses na progressive. All progressive, guys. And then, ito naman, ginawan ko naman si Baguette, si Princess. Kasi si Princess, guys, is another person na myopia naman siya. Kung ako ay hyperopia, meaning to say siya naman ay myopia. So, I don't know where is it. So, that's it, guys. Ito kay Princess. Hindi ko pwedeng isukat kasi minus. Hindi ko kaya. Malabo yan sa mata. Then, another one is here. Second, another one is ito. 3. Another one is 4. Ayan. Blue coating naman. Kasi sensitive si Princess. Siya yung tipong palaging nagluluha. So, I prefer blue coating. Pero blue light protection also. Then, meron din siyang silver. So, I told my daughter, sige, gamitin mo na kung anong aura meron ka, kung anong araw na feel mong isuot. Sige, go, push mo yan. Then, I have new one. Nag-iisa lang to, guys, na ginawa kong blue light protection, which is, if you can see, this is blue coating, and then gold, and then with black, and then I did this as transition na rin. Kasi, para pag lumabas yung bagets, at kailangan niya ng protection from sun. So, kung medyo sensitive ang mata niya sa sun, so, kailangan ng sunglass. So, with this also. Masyado malabo, guys. So, hindi ko kaya. This is photochromatic with blue light protection. This one. Then, the rest of the 5 pieces, ito, guys, two metal frames, blue light protection, blue coating, pero metal frames naman siya. Then, I have 3 here, which is all assorted plastic. I have 2 plastic, and I have another 1 metal. So, gusto niya malalaki, ewan ko, ba't ganun ang type ni Baguettes. So, yun. Meron siyang 6 pieces of glasses, and meron siyang old one na ginagamit sa Pilipinas, na nag-iisa, gawa naman ng aking Doc Nelly, yung aking sister. So, yun. So, quite costly sa Pinas, and then for me, expensive yun. Kasi guys, dito sa akin sa Dubai, nabibili ko siya ng cost price. Unlike doon sa Pinas, definitely, hindi mabibili ng sister ko sa cost price kasi nag-work siya. So, definitely, she would able to pay as per what the prices na binibigay on customers, on patients, gano'n. So, yan, ginawan ko na ng 6 na piraso ang aking bagets para hindi na nagre-reklamo kasi reklamo na, Mami, yung salamin ko sira na. Mami, yung salamin ko, yung nose pad sira na. Mami, malabo na yung isa kong mata. Kailangan ko lang, hindi ko na alam, guys. Pero bagong sukat siya, guys. This is the new refraction done by my sister. At ito nga, dito ko na lang ginawa. So, ayan. Meron siyang 6 pieces glasses for my daughter. Ganon, guys. So, that's it, guys. That's the vlog that I did for today. And I wish you all, guys, enjoyed watching with me. And then, to all those people supporting and then giving patient on the support na binibigay niyo sa akin. Maraming salamat po. That's it, guys. That's the vlog that I did for today. And thank you for watching. Maraming salamat. And keep us always safe. Mwah!